Okay, I want to give you a very quick video overview of NextGEN Gallery just to let you see it at work. Now I've installed it and activated it here, and you can see it creates its own section of the menu down here. Lots going on. I'm going to actually create a new gallery first of all, and I just click Add New Gallery here, and I'm going to call this Life at the Beach. Alright, so I add my gallery, and now I'm going to upload some images to it. So I browse here and I find these two right here. I open those. Now I could remove them. Here's my list. Now I actually always recommend choosing your gallery first. Alright, because if you forget to choose it, watch what happens. You go to upload images, and it says, oh, no gallery selected, but it loses all my list of images. So I always say choose your gallery first, and then choose your two items here, and open, check everything's okay. Alright, and it warns you if you're uploading large images, you'll see it right away. I mean, even this one, 180 kilobytes, that's probably still too big even. You don't really need it that large. But anyway, upload images, there we go. We see our progress. It's going to create some thumbnails for them. There we go. So if we go to our Manage Galleries area, you can see I've got two galleries now. It tells me how many are in them. It tells me if it's associated with any particular page. And I'm good to go. So let's see what we've got in here. Let's look at the Jamaica Beaches one. Lots of settings for the gallery up here. You can give it its own description, a path to it, who the author is. It can be associated with an author, whether you're associating it with a page. There we go, right there. We could link it to a page. Anyway, this is the really important part down here, is working with the images themselves. You can do all kinds of things with these. You can delete a group together. You can copy them, move them to another place, add tags, all kinds of things here. So it's very, very powerful. I can edit my thumbnail, which is very, very important. We saw that with WordPress allows you to edit its thumbnail. You can do the same here. And you can even exclude it temporarily from the list. Let's say you were using this gallery on a particular page. You could exclude this one temporarily by checking that box. All kinds of things. You can watermark these. There's a lot of features going on. Let me show you in a post where I can actually insert these. So let's say, for example, I'm going to Treasure Beach. I've already got a video in here. Let me just put this above the video. What I'm going to do, see over here, we now have a new button on the button bar. This is the NextGEN Gallery pop-up. And here's where I can choose galleries, like the ones I just created, Life at the Beach and so forth. If I created albums, which are just groups of galleries, I could choose those, but I can even choose individual pictures. My JavaScript's working a little funny there. There we go. I could choose individual pictures from there as well, determine their width and height and so on. Whether or not I want to apply a watermark to them, for example. In the case of the gallery, I can decide whether to do it as a list or a slideshow. I've got lots of options. And all I do is just insert. Let's choose one first. There we go, Life at the Beach. I insert it right there. All it does is create a short code. I'll just tidy up that space there. Let's hit Update. And then when I hit refresh here, I've got my gallery in place. There we go. And I click on this and it pops up a gallery slideshow for me. Not much in the gallery, but there you go. So that's how that works. Very, very powerful and very, very easy to use, the NextGEN Gallery.